One fruit, 100 days of labor. One harvest, the dreams of thousands. Behind every juicy lychee lies a story of devotion, sweat, and pride. Stay with us and discover the breathtaking journey of Vietnam's precious red jewels. Have you ever enjoyed a ripe fruit? The sweet, refreshing taste, the seductive aroma, like holding the whole Vietnamese summer in the palm of your hand. But to have wonderful clusters of aroma, the journey from branch to table is an elaborate and magical story. Join me to explore the magical process, from fields filled with red to export containers reaching out to the world. In Vietnam, the provinces of Bac Giang and Hai Duong are known as the capitals of lychee. Blessed with rich soil and ideal climate, these lands nurture lychee trees that bear stunningly bright red fruits, thick-fleshed, tiny-seeded, and impossibly sweet. Every summer, the countryside explodes in a sea of red, as if nature itself dresses the fields in a celebratory robe. When the lychees ripen, families, from grandparents to young children, head into the orchards together. Harvesting lychees relies purely on skilled hands. Machines would bruise the delicate skin, but these experienced pickers gently clip each bunch, preserving the flawless beauty of the fruit. This meticulous care has built the reputation of Luc Non lychees, proudly conquering even the most demanding markets like Japan, the US, and Europe. Freshly harvested lychees are quickly gathered and transported to local collection points. Along the roads, dozens of trucks line up. Merchants negotiate prices, sealing deals under the shimmering heat. The atmosphere buzzes with energy, laughter, shouting, engines roaring, all wrapped in the irresistible sweet scent of fresh lychees. At the factories, the lychees undergo a rigorous process: washing, removing dust and any lingering impurities, sorting, selecting fruits based on color, size, and ripeness. Packaging. Carefully placing the fruits into moisture-resistant boxes to maintain freshness during transit. Some lychees are also dried through advanced techniques, preserving their rich sweetness and aromatic charm, allowing people worldwide to enjoy Vietnamese lychees all year round. Before the jubilant harvest, farmers dedicate more than 100 days of hard work. Pruning branches, ensuring sunlight reaches every blossom for uniform growth. Organic care, using natural fertilizers and eco-friendly pest control to guarantee safe, healthy fruit. Close monitoring, meticulously watching over each stage from pollination to fruit formation. Every small white flower that blooms, every green fruit that gradually ripens into fiery red, tells a story of perseverance and hope. Beyond its delectable flavor, lychee has transformed lives. Major income source, lifting thousands of families out of poverty. Job creation, from harvesters to traders to factory workers. Global recognition, putting Vietnamese agriculture on the world map. Each ripe bunch represents not just a successful crop, but a better future built from dedication and dreams. That single lychee in your hand is more than just a fruit. It is the result of countless drops of sweat under the summer sun, endless nights guarding against storms and pests, silent dreams of a better life blooming in every orchard. From the orchards of northern Vietnam to dinner tables across continents, the journey of the lychee is a testament to resilience, craftsmanship, and national pride. If you have the chance, taste a Vietnamese lychee. You will not only taste the sweetness of the fruit, but also the spirit and pride of a nation.